How to sync Evernote between devices. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Install Evernote. Make sure you have the Evernote app installed on all of the devices that you want to sync. So this includes smartphones, tablets, and computers. Sign in. Open Evernote on each device and sign in with the same Evernote account. This is crucial for syncing your notes. Once you do that, let's go ahead and enable syncing. Go ahead and click on the three lines at the bottom left. After that, click on the settings gear icon at the top right. Once you're here, click on sync at the bottom. After that, click sync now. Wait for sync. Allow some time for the syncing process to complete, especially if you have a large number of notes or attachments. Evernote will keep your notes updated across all your devices. By following these steps, your Evernote notes and data should be synchronized across all your devices. If you encounter any issues, make sure that you're using the same Evernote account on all devices and that your internet connection is stable. So that was it for this video. That's how to sync Evernote between devices. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that, I'll see you in the next video.